of joy, a whispered prayer, peace and kindness everywhere.
Eid Mubarak, hear the call, love and mercy shine on all. Hand in hand, no one alone. Eid unites, one heart, one home. Sun, a golden ray, wipes our sorrows far away. Smiling faces, arms embrace every soul in warmth and grace. Eid Mubarak, hear the call, love and mercy shine on all. One home. Forgiveness flows, hearts renew, wounds will heal with love so true. No more sorrow, no more pain. Hope will rise like gentle rain. Eid Mubarak, a prayer so deep, for those we love, for those who weep. May this day bring peace to all. Eid's embrace, a love so